In front of me is Motorola Moto E6S, and today I would like to show you how you can rename it. First of all, go into Settings. Now scroll all the way down and tap on System. Then you need to choose Advanced. Scroll all the way down and tap on About Phone. Finally, tap on device name and type in wherever you wish to. I will go with Chandler. When you're ready, tap on OK and confirm your choice by tapping on OK in device name pop-up. As you can see, after that, name of my device has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!